Hello my guys, once again welcome to this channel, Power of Mindset You. Today we are going to use MetaTrader 5 and we are going to see the new feature that you probably didn't know that it exists. However, this is our new MetaTrader 5 with its new feature that will be telling you how much you are risking and how much you are going to gain. And I had already made a video about a new application, a new calculator, the Live calculator, which you can be using to calculate your risk for synthetic indices. Yes, there are very many other calculators you can be using to calculate your risk in foreign exchange markets, that is forex trading. And these are the features we are talking about right here. Okay, this is where the secret is, because this is a new feature which has not been existing. So we are going to be looking at how you can take advantage or use these new features in taking your trades, both instant. You can also use pending orders like the buy limit and the sell limit, sell stop and the like. All right, and you will see how much you'll be risking, which is your stop loss, and how much you are going to gain, that is the take profit. All right, so let's go and I take an illustration. So the first thing, you tap here, right? Just tap here. Okay, so once I tap here, you can see now this one, you can see this one. Okay, so this is your lot size, right? You can reduce it here, you can increase it on this arrow, right? You can buy immediately, what we call a CMP, buying at current market price. At the same time, you can sell at the current market price. That is, if you hit here price, you have already joined that trade, right? So let me show you. Because I'm using a demo account, I'm going to, place a trade and you see. So once I click here, let me sell, for example. It's already done, right? It's done. So when you go here on trade, you can see, right, I have entered a sell on Boom 500. Okay, so that's how you enter using instant market execution. So let's, for example, probably click on maybe reduce on the lot size. You click on this arrow, continue reducing. You can even go here and you manually enter the lot size you want, for example 0.5, right? So after that, you can click on sell. You enter into a second trade, right? Now you can go to trade. You can see the two options, rather the two trades, the two positions on the same trade. The other one is in a profit, so I can close it, hold and close position, right? Good, right? Now even this one you can close it. Another thing I want to tell you guys, right, you can as well reduce the risk below even the minimum, if you didn't know about that secret. And how you do it, you first open a higher position. For example, the minimum lot size for Boom 500 is 0.2, right? And now we are on 0.5, so you open a higher one. So 0.5 is higher than 0.2. So, and remember, you want to remain with the trade which is below 0.2. So what you do, for example 0.5, you minus 0.4, you remain with 0.1. Remember, the minimum is 0.2, so you are going to remain with the trade of 0.1. Do you believe in that? So let's do it. Hold and go to close. So here you are going to just reduce 0.4. You are remaining with 0.1, and that is the running trade. Why are you doing this? You have a small account and you want to be, trading every other asset maybe of your interest, but on a lower minimum, below even the minimum, lot size, as a way of risk management. So you close that. Okay, you see, it's done. So let's see. All right, now can you see, guys, you are remaining with 0.1. That's how you can do it. But today, of course, that was another trick I was telling you, rather revealing in this video. Let me just close it and I show you the other way around. You can be using this new feature of knowing how much you are risking and how much you are going to gain in the market. So look here, I want to use let me just close this one. I'll remove this one, and by doing so, you again click here, right? So you click on this one again, right? We want to use pending orders. Once you click there, you see this color in it, which has just showed up, this one. So drag it. This is above you want to buy. That is the buy limit, right? Because you expect that the price can reverse slightly and trigger your entry. Okay, probably let me put it here, right? And you want to put a stop loss, and you can see already this one down. Okay, you can see this. So you put a stop loss by clicking on that SL, right? So you, let me assume the stop loss is here, right? And remember, I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. So this is my stop loss, right? Let me just scroll down and I take a profit. Rather, I set my take profit. You click here on TP. You see, drag this line up. Maybe I'm targeting this area, right? You can see. That's how I'm targeting. And if you want to be dragging and on this phone MT5 platform, you want to maybe, you know, do you make your screen the way I'm doing it, right? Like this. And it's a matter of scrolling your finger on the left on these numbers, right? By scrolling up and down, that's how you are going to be, you know, making it. That's a third technique and trick I'm telling you about, you know, MT5. You should be subscribing for now, you know, and like and share it to your colleagues, right? Let's go. Let's continue. Now you see how we have just set our stop loss, entry, and take profit. Now, if you can see clearly, right here, here, you can see I'm risking here $1.16. That's how much I'm just risking. If I go wrong, that means I will be losing 1.16. And what is the take profit? The take profit is here, 2.52 USD. That's how much I'm going to get. You know, there is no going far away to the other application, the other calculators to calculate the risk for us. No, everything is here, and even the points, you know. On the TP, we have 125.84 points. Now, the next thing, assuming you have just, you know, set your entry, right? Like here, let me set a sell entry. For example, I'm assuming that if price reaches here, I'm going to sell, right? Rather, I'm going to buy, like here. And probably you set your stop loss right here, but there is no probably TP. You will set the TP later. Okay, for example, you have already entered the trade. Okay, you click on press, you're already in a trade, but now you haven't set the TP. You want to come back and you don't want to do it manually. You know, manually is where you come here and you hold, you go to modify, and then you read the figures, you enter them here. That's manual. But you want to use the other tip. What you can do, you can click on these dots or this one where you have just entered. So just click on any and you will see a pop-up of this one again, right? Which means they are going to show you what you had earlier done. Okay, and so after that you click on this TP here and you drag, all right, and you put it there. Okay, and now again you can see you are going to gain 3.31 and you are risking 3.62, which means you are risking a lot, yet you are going to gain little. I see everything well calculated. In my other videos, of course, when I was showing you the financial trading tips and analysis, I've been using this, but I hadn't actually, you know, taken time to look at this stop loss, how much I'm risking and how much I'm going to gain. I did not even bother to look at that. I just discovered that the future has been there all along. So if you have not been using this, it's high time you start using it. Until next time, let's meet in the next video.